Hello friends, let us talk about the results of combust mercury. This I will explain by examples. The example is in front of you. It is 24th of July 1969, 8:20 hours, and the place of birth is Fagwara. And you see, the longitude of Sun is 7 degree 41 minutes, and that of Mercury is 9 degree 26 minutes. And Mercury is deeply combust. Astronomically, Mercury gets combust when it is in between Sun and Earth, and when it is not in between Sun and Earth, it is on the other side of the Sun. When it is in between the Sun and Earth, then it is retrograde also. When it is on the other side of the Sun, then it is atichari, moving faster in the forward motion, and it is not retrograde at all. Now, according to Nadi astrology, all these things are just astronomical, and we have not to take any consideration of this for the predictive purposes. Simply we have to see the nakshatra and the sublot, and the houses signified by them. You see, Mercury signifies second and 11th house significance, because the lord of the second and 11th house plays in the 11th house. Saturn is the lord of the 6th and 7th, plays in the 9th, and Venus is the lord of 3 and 10, plays in the 10th house. So now when we talk about the result of Mercury, it's excellent for education, because 2, 11 and 9 houses are there. It is excellent for professional life, 2, 6 and 11. It gives success in travel also, because 3, 9 are signified with good houses of profession. So there will be success in profession overseas, or when you go overseas, there will be success in professional life. Then Mercury is not that good for marriage, because 6 are signified nakshatras abroad, but doesn't deny marriage. And for health purposes, it is just good. So in all, Mercury is beautifully placed for all the areas of life except happening of marriage. But for the married life, it is not that bad. When I increase the time by say 1 hour, now you see the only difference comes in Mercury is the 8th house significance. Now here Saturn shifts from 9 to 8th house. So 6, 7, 8 house, 6, 7, 8 house comes in between. And you find that now 3, 6, 8 combination is there, which is no inclination for education. There will be problems with paperwork. Professional life is a disaster. There can be litigations. For marriage and married life, Mercury becomes bad, and there is no long travel indicated, because 9th house is not signified here now. Now you see, for different combust Mercury, Mercury places the same sign in the same house. The results of Mercury are different. Whereas, if you learn what books write about the results of Mercury, it's a cumbersome process. Just for Mercury, you will find one book. And here it is as simple as that. Just see the houses, what nakshatra and sublot signify, and the planet Mercury, and you get results. Another thing is, in the books it's written, a certain Vidvans, the stalwarts of astrology, believe in combustion of Mercury, certain not, which confuses the students of astrology like you and me. Unfortunately, they don't come to one consensus, and they just confuse the students. And I tell you, just see the results like this, and you can predict accurately. Listen to what Mercury says, this nakshatra and this Allah. Don't listen to what others say, which do not have any knowledge of astrology. They have wasted their time in astrology, and you do not waste yours. Just listen to nakshatra and Allah, and you will be able to predict precisely. Thank you very much.